I got this wooden shopping mat at Hobby Lobby for 75% off. It brings its own towel. I want to use it to decorate as a tray. So stay with me to the end so you can see what are the materials that I'm going to use it and how this will turns up. I'm gonna use this wooden bowls from Dollar Tree, and that is gold strips. It has its own adhesive. It's like a tape. This one is from Amazon. As you can see, I only did 3 lines with the golden tape, and then now I'm gonna put them in all the edges around the wooden shopping mat. This wooden bowls from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna use it because it has 2 sides flat. I'm gonna use it on the bottom of the tray, so give it to it some height. I got these wooden rings from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 different sizes, and I'm gonna use it to decorate the 4 corners of the tray. When I was finishing, I realized that I don't have enough wooden rings for the 4 corners, so that's why I'm using the wooden bowls that I use for the bottom of the tray. In my second project, I'm going to use this shower curtain rings from Dollar Tree. They are so beautiful. It is my style. I'm going to use this circle mirrors from Amazon and this plate from Hobby Lobby that I got it for $1.99, and it has glitter on it. And also this diamond beads. There are also from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to use this piece to paste it on the plate because I want to hang it in the wall. That piece, I take it from the back of a photo frame from Dollar Tree. This strong adhesive also is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it for an extra hold. I'm going to arrange all the shower curtain rings around the plate in the back and then pasted it with some hot glue. It is so great to have you here. If it's your first time, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I got this fairy light from Temu, and I'm gonna put them around the shower curtain rings. I changed my mind about the fabric lace, and I'm gonna use instead this cell adhesive gold diamond strips to put it around the plate in the top of the shower curtains. These steps, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I just like to give a little bit of more secure hold. Oh wow, it looks so pretty. I like it. You can leave it like that, but I'm gonna give it some more glamour using this circle acrylic mirror. They have their own adhesive, and I'm gonna use 2 different sizes. And for more glamour, I'm gonna use some acrylic gemstones from Hobby Lobby and from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna take out the protecting film from the mirror. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Remember, it never gets easier, you just get better. Kisses and hugs to all my subscribers. See you in the next one. Bye!